Check. 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 All right. Let's roll with this. Greg, you there? Let's make some trades. Come on, people. What are y'all doing? Trying to play with me? I got a thing. I have a thing. I got a thing to accomplish. Come on. Greg, you there? Check. Let's try something else. Live. Let's see who's looking live. 0 people live. Gotta do it. I think we should be buying this. Do we want to make the gap here? I think we do with the NQ doing this. We gotta like buy one at least. No, not there. All right, we're going here.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien.
Oh my God, come in hot. Come in hot. Come in hot. All right. We're trying to get some longs. I got targets off here on some MNQ trades. Hold on a second. Let me get my stuff together here. I just
Greg,
jumped
make
in.
that money.
I just jumped in and I grabbed some trades before anybody was on. So
That's okay. I'm just logging in.
all right.
Just fresh back from Kansas City and Mother's Day
Hey,
dinner.
yeah, how was that?
It was good. It's good. They do it upright every year. It's a big shindig.
What is it?
So
What did you do?
it's for DM Law. It's the law firm that I work for full time. So basically, he rents out a place every year, and it's free drinks, free food, free get
Oh
together.
wow.
You
Well,
just get dressed
Ginger
up.
Ginger had to have a good night on that. A good day on that one, huh?
She did, but I guess the dinner that we had the night before didn't agree with her, so
Oh
kind of
no.
put a damper on things. But for the most part, it wasn't bad. We had a good time.
That's cool. So I got this one running. I got targets off. That's about all I have right now.
Where's
I'm gonna
Brother
bring that
Paul?
break even. He's on his way back. He'll be back in a minute. Yeah, man. All right. Hey, Greg, come on. Let's take some trades. Um,
Get some, Greg. I gotta bring up the chat so I can see what Greg's saying.
come on, Greg.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Greg has developed a Jamaican accent. Greg, you're making too much money, man.
I don't know if he has a Jamaican accent.
Hey, man, give me the good trades, man. Show me how to do it.
Let me switch to I do different audio here. I got a bunch of stuff going on in the background, so give me a second.
Yeah, I haven't checked YouTube yet to see how your volume is. Hang on.
It was OBS. I think I fixed that. You can. Mother's Day and stuff. I think I have a little bit. You good? Somebody give me a feedback sound.
As far as YouTube,
No, I picked the wrong. Hold on. I was trying to get on different audio because, again, I have a lot going on in the background. So my output needs to be. Okay, check. Can you hear me okay? Tom? Perfect. Okay, we're good. I just need to switch outputs and we can roll with this. All right, let's so here, let's make some assessments. You want to do some market, some trade planning with me? Yeah, you're the only one on the mic with me. Okay, when you're ready, I know I'm ready. I'm gonna buy this breakout on the ES, so I can tell you that right now. That's fine. I'll give you an NQ play here in a second, but the ES has the easiest play right now because it's look, NQ broke out to the upside. NQ, ES is going to. So the unfortunate thing about where you're at right now is the NQ play is only playable above where my target is right now. Yeah, it's pretty much. I mean, like yesterday's high, Friday's high, which is fine. We're gonna get a couple decent plays here tonight. I think the way this is moving up, I like it. These kind of pullbacks and pushes up are golden for this kind of trading. We look at this low on Friday on the EI. Are you looking at my charts? All right, never mind. I'll slow down. Wait until you catch up. Tell me when you're ready. You're the one that said I go too fast. Did you listen to my training? Oh yeah. Never mind. Oh, you just got back. Oh, okay, cool. Well, it's good to hear your voice. Um, so here's what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna take the account I'm on here. Um, yeah, that account, and then we're gonna do a real easy buy above this Globex high. Actually, you should probably buy above this ledge because that's the low from Friday. Uh, let's see. So I think we'd be comfortable here at 925. Oh, he's here. I gotta go. I gotta go. Never mind. He's back. He's here. I gotta go. Get out of here, bro. What are you doing? Late, late to the party. I'm flat. I had a nice two little accounts get a little green here on two of these NQ breakout MNQ breakout trades. Um, I'm gonna put on this account a 920 a 925 breakout on the ES. Um, so let's just go ahead and do that. Put that in a 925 breakout. ES. Am I looking at this? What ES, bro? I'm sorry. 7409 7409.25 breakout. Now we all right, get in it fast. Now we got a little top here on the MNQ. We might want to short that, but we might be past. Yeah, we might have passed that already. Yeah. Yeah, break. Well, that's what I'm hoping on. This is breakout. If this breaks out, we got a great night in front of us. If it doesn't, then we don't lose anything. I made money on this breakout on the M&Q here. Um, it failed obviously all-time highs, right? So if this stays above, this is a good level here. Let me find these levels real quick. This is a good level right here from Friday. And then you see this little wick that came up on the Globex today. That's how you know it's a good level. It bounced off Friday. And then somewhere right around here is where we should turn around. I love it when you see these little tiny candles on a bigger tick chart. Around where we're at right now, 350-ish. All right, Greg, what do you need? Greg, let me put you in a position. Talk to me. Greg's here. Yeah, talk to me, Greg. Tell me, tell me what you need, Greg. Uh, this is a play I have here. I like this one a lot, but we can short the M and Q while we're waiting on this to happen. Oh. Well, we had that and then push back up. So this makes me think we're going to get a gap fill on the ES. So this is one that I'm looking to hold tonight when we get off. Like, if we can get in this, yeah, if we can get in it, it's gonna make it up to here. It's gonna make it up to 17. So that's a relatively safe play for an overnight play, you know. And we can't get hurt by that. But in the meantime, I'm not opposed to shorting the NQ to gain some stuff, but it doesn't look like it wants to stay down. What are you doing? Tom, slow him down. Slow him down, buddy. Slow him down. I like that this is not making a double top right now, considering the movement right away. This tells me that if this little M on the smaller tick chart doesn't get broken, we've got a great long on our hands. Anybody with me on this? Can you hear me?
I'm 100% with you.
Okay.
Trying to catch up to you here. We're coming up to
That's
this
all right.
top here on the NQ also.
I'm up a whole $75 right now, so I'm blazing.
How's your neck?
I gotta put my brace on. I'm gonna do it in a second. Gotta put my neck brace on in a second. But
One of my good friends in Miami's son got killed yesterday and last night on a motorcycle.
Oh.
Horrible. Found out today. I may have to be going down there for a funeral.
Was it
no, man.
Somebody pulled out on him or what?
No, he was coming home through Coral Gables and I guess there was like a roundabout. They don't know. He'd been at one of these like Harley rallies that everybody goes. They don't know if he was drinking or not drinking. Either way, long story short, he I guess was going too fast, didn't see the roundabout, and went up through the middle of it instead of around it, and smashed his head on the ground. He had a helmet on, but apparently that didn't save him. So
there's only so much impact a helmet.
Yeah, I mean I don't know the whole story yet because it was hard to talk to his dad today. He was pretty beat up. So
yeah.
I'll talk to him later. I told him. All right, along there.
Gotta respect those things.
Oh, dude, that's
why. Hey, we got. Hold on, kick your conversation. I'm sorry.
Long.
We gotta take this long.
Yeah, I was gonna let it pull back and then go long above.
It didn't do it though. It didn't do it though. We gotta go with it. Okay. I'm gonna take this one. Oh, I've already made money on this account, so. Again,
yeah,
if it's not your first trade, don't take it. Tom, don't take if it's not your first trade, don't take it.
Yeah, after you said that, I had already clicked the button. So.
Oh no,
you're gonna be all right.
You'll probably be fine. You're probably fine. You're probably fine. Just remember. All right, Tom, write this in your rules. First trade, no breakout.
No breakout.
Okay. No breakouts on your first trade.
Yeah, first trade, no breakout. I strongly agree with that.
That's it. That's a hard, fast rule that you should stick to just as any trader. Any trader. My first trade was this pullback right here. Okay. This one right here. That was my first trade. It retested this level right here and gave me the long. I took it, made again $75. And that's the first trade. So I can take a breakout now with the same account. Does that make sense, Tom?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that's how I do.
What time is it? 8:23.
Is it 8:23?
Yeah, we'll get a close of this opening range here in 7 minutes. Let's see what.
That's just literally what I was about to say. I was going to try to say, let's set ourselves up for a big trade walking in tomorrow morning. I mean, I say big, like. At the end of the day, you know, my plan is to walk away tonight with open positions on the long side. If this happens, if that breaks, and only if this happens. I will walk away with 3 accounts in a long position if that happens.
If we break the 383.
Let's talk about ES. Let's
9.25.
talk about ES.
9.25 on the ES.
Oh, okay.
7409.25. So I will never leave an NQ trade open overnight. And the only
No, too
reason
volatile.
the only reason I like this one is because again it gets Friday's high and my target gets below Friday's high.
You're getting 83.
Already made money from a level I wanted to make money from, so I have all that in my pocket already. You guys don't.
Now, why do we not want to do an NQ? Just because the volatility?
Yeah, it's just
It's too hard to hold overnight. There's too many swings.
There's too much that can affect it and make it do some radicals crap.
And you're not gonna get those kind of swings on the ES typically. Like
No, not at night.
you're going to get the same swings, but they won't be as exaggerated. So you'll be you're much safer in an MES position overnight or a couple of MES.
Hey, let's
You got your target?
Yep.
Nice.
well,
wait-
you're gonna
wait
get
to listen.
you're gonna get 83 out of that. Should we get let's get Greg or Mike. Let him on. Let him come on.
Come on, Greg. Where's Greg at? Is Greg with me?
Yeah, we can't open it up. Oh, okay.
Horrible.
Sorry, Greg.
What?
Trying to get you on here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go look at the settings.
Here we go. This is not bad. We got targets off now. Let's roll with it. So this is a pullback ad on the MES, Paul. Now that we got this I'm completely comfortable holding this overnight. This is one of those situations where I was like, I saw this and I was like, I wish I'd done it in mini. Did you get that, Greg? Which one are you in?
I'm in
ES.
MES. I'm in both.
Are you MES or MNQ? Me too.
Who are you talking to, me or Greg?
Greg, I don't care about you, Paul. I know you. You're like, I know what you're doing, Paul.
No,
I
I
don't,
didn't
you,
know.
don't
I
have,
didn't know you were
you
talking.
don't even have to tell me what you're doing. I can predict what you're doing.
No, I'm in both of them. Yeah.
I know. MNQ. Okay, cool.
I took just for the record. I took that breakout with more
So you
contracts. 'cause I
took the
made
same
10
trade
minutes.
as Tom. Well, make sure you make profit, Greg, and hold and let it go. Let's let it pull back a little bit here, and we're gonna take another long, and we're gonna add into this MNQ or MES if it stays up. So it's gotta stay up right now. Does that
Do I
make
need
sense?
to move my stop?
Yeah,
Well, no.
lock it. Move your stop to lock in profit, Tom.
No, it's already there. I didn't know.
Then
if
leave
I
it.
should-
You're done.
How
Leave
many
it.
how many contracts are you trading, Tom? 2?
No, I did.
He did 5.
Yeah, 5. Yeah, full disclosure, I did 6 on the ES. I knew that was gonna pop.
You want to, Paul was like,
I'm
I gotta
trying to
catch up
to you guys.
I
You
gotta
guys are
catch
ahead of me,
up.
so I'm trying to catch up. Gotta put some money in the bank.
Well, this is guaranteed gap fill now. So any way we need to get in, we should get in.
Took out my stop. I'm out.
Yeah, he moved his
That's
his
fine.
stop came out.
That's good. That's fine, Tom.
But you can get back in.
We'll
Don't get in now.
No, it's okay. It's 13. It's $13. That's a win. I don't
Yeah,
care.
keep
As
that
long
30.
as I don't lose money, I'm fine.
We'll be good. Well, don't worry about losing money either. Losing money happens.
What about Greg? Did you take the ES too, Greg?
No, he took MQ, made money, right?
Right, but did he take the? Oh, he didn't trade the ES, right?
No,
He trades
he's,
the NQ.
I think he's an MQ.
Yeah, he's an MQ guy.
Great. Well, if I could get him staying in positions overnight, he'd do $100 a day per an account just on our
All right, that's cool. 2
evening
MQ
stuff.
trades up $89. Good. That's fine. That's
Take the money.
hey,
There you go.
$89 to
Dude,
play around on a Sunday night. That doesn't suck.
dude, great. Copy that over 6 accounts, and that's your daily goal, Greg. You walk away at this point. You're like, thanks, guys. Done. See ya.
Yeah, $100 times 6 accounts, $600 for a
Thank
weekend
you.
for a couple hours at night on a Sunday.
On a
wouldn't
Mother's Day?
suck. On a Mother's Day,
You
yeah.
suck.
Happy Mother's Day, mother. All right, let's see what we got. We got 8:28, 2 more minutes.
No, we're gonna make some money here in a minute. I mean, like, not like. Yeah, I tempted to add at this level again on this MES because I'm like very sure we're gonna get this at least 13 right now tonight.
Well, I'm up in this trade, so I'll go ahead and add one more in here.
Let me think
I
about
don't
this for a
care
second.
because I can't lose. I mean, I can't
Well,
lose.
I found this level on a big tick chart. Let me
Watch
go
this
to-
thing. What time is it? 8:20. One more minute. Give it one more minute, and
Yeah,
let's see
yeah.
where it's. Well, I think I already know where the levels
So
are
I'm
gonna
at
be, but
like 350.
where's the midpoint? Right here.
I'm looking for.
Love to see a pullback to like, man, on NQ, a pullback would be nice to about 349. That would be long all night on that.
350. No, that's me. That's what I was looking at right now.
That'd be half. That's the halfway of the range right there, which is beautiful. But here we go. We got. I mean, we almost need to. We almost need to take this again on a breakout because
I know.
it's
I know.
8:30 now.
I think we probably should buy above, huh? That's an all-time high again, right?
God, this thing just won't stop going up.
That's ridiculous. You buy it. Take one account that you don't care about. If you don't have the account you don't care about, don't take the trade. Anybody else? But I think I gotta do this. It just.
Were you on the ES or the NQ?
M&Q, sorry, on the M&Q, if you don't have the account to do it, don't take it with me. And I gotta put my stop down below this last wick. But this should be a pretty safe trade since we're pushing up here. And again, we're looking at all-time highs on the NQ. And the ES should be chasing. I gotta buy. Let's add one to the ES. You got it. And then we'll take a target to fill the gap. How about that? How about something like that? Let's put it just below the level I have. Right there. You got that?
I'm with you.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's gonna be our MES, and then I don't think it's gonna fail. If this fails, we'll take a stop down here and take a $75 loss, but that's not a big deal. It wouldn't even be a $75. It'd be like what?
I mean, it won't. That won't be a
50.
$75 loss for
It'd be
me
like a
because I have.
$50. Well, it won't be for me either because I've already taken profits. But if you're just getting in, that would be about a $50
Come
loss.
on, come on, NQ. You gotta go.
It's got it. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Put your stop below that wick on the big tick chart.
I'm on the wick on the big tick. Yeah.
Yeah. 316 is my next level. Let me find it on this chart. At 316. Oh, somewhere here. That's pretty close. That's a good level. I mean, that's the next level down on the NQ or M&Q. We're not coming back. I mean, again, Iran could like start firing missiles or something, but they don't have any left. I mean, technically, you could take profit now on your MES contract, but I think that's silly at this point, considering the last wick down is already passed.
Well, I'm three deep, so I think I'm gonna take one off here because I'm 3 deep because
Let's
I
take.
think I'm gonna
Then
take
do
one.
that. Do that.
Yeah,
That's
and that'll
fine.
leave me 2. That'll put me even with you. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
I love. Think about this: walking into Monday with everything green.
So Tom, on that first trade,
Yeah.
you might want to like when we're trading at night, like it might not be and the way we're doing what we're doing right now. I mean, I know that we tell you that get that first target off and then get into a no lose situation. But I think a no-lose situation when something as obvious as this trying to push up and fill a gap, it's just too tight a stop. So like maybe in this specific instance, you just leave your stop back and then risk, you're not risking much because you've got profit off. So what's the worst thing? It comes back and you lose a little bit of money. I don't know. I mean, because look, you'd still be in this trade had you not tightened that stop up. Even if I don't know if you got back in, but I'm just saying.
Too many contracts.
With your original trade, you would be in, like me, 3 or 4 you'd be 3 contracts up instead of 1 contract up, and that just.
I'm back.
3 or 4
contracts.
contracts. Test. 3 or 4 contracts.
I'm pushing
Check.
to hit
Check.
targets off.
Check. Ah,
So maybe
check,
when you get
check,
targets off, you'll
check,
be up
check.
some money. Calculate
Check.
that and leave your stop far enough behind.
Where's
give you some
my-
room that way in case it comes back. Because I'm sure Brian, right? If it comes back, we'll add another one.
Okay. Targets off. I'm gonna move my stop back to
Check.
380.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. So what's the worst case? You dig a little bit into your profit if you lose.
I'll probably be above break
Whatever the
even.
volume.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. You sound amazingly better.
I switched back to the Yeti.
Oh wow, that sounds a million times better.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Don't take that, Brian, ever again. No. This is what you use from here on out.
Yeah,
Got
that
it.
sounds a ton better.
Spent some time this weekend working on my settings and used a bunch of resources and AI to say what is going on. And I told the AI, I was like, Tom's yelling at me for having shitty stuff, so I need to fix it.
How many contracts do you have now, Tom? 2?
Yeah, I'm running a two runner.
Just leave it.
What-
Now
this-
you can tighten. Now you can tighten your stop up some more. Now it doesn't have to be all the way down at the bottom. You can move it up some.
Now we got to do a measured move. If we might think about holding this after we get in profits on this M&Q trade. This could be one we could hold if it goes past. We should probably think about a measured move.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna be working for a while, so I'm gonna keep moving this thing up.
I'll give you increments to move it up on before we get off.
Okay.
So you'll get a target on this, and I wish I had more accounts in this. To be honest with you, there's your target.
There's target.
There's the
This is
target.
easy as crap. I'm
This
already
is
close
so
to $100
cool,
bucks,
man.
This is a
So
joke.
cool.
Honestly, this is stupid.
Yeah. Why? Again,
Why
this
would we
is.
not do this? There's
Why would
absolutely zero risk, and we print 100, 150 like it's nothing every night. It's like 220 last Friday. See what I do tonight.
Thursday, you mean? 220 this past Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah, we did what 252 over
I did
well over
almost
200.
I was like, 240, 220, 240, something like
That's
that.
about where I was. Yeah, I mean, that's a paycheck, man. I'm gonna get some other accounts in this stuff.
You're gonna get in up here?
Well, because we got this gap fill on the ES.
I'm not so gung-ho about getting in on the NQ up here.
No. I'm
You're gonna
talking
get a
about-
pullback.
I'm talking about the MES, man.
All right, so let me ask you a question. What do you think about taking some money here on NQ and let it come back and get back in? Or you want to just let it come back and just add another one?
Well, this is the way I feel about this.
Never mind.
What?
No, I mean, never mind. We're back at entry anyway, so it doesn't matter. Just let it
Yeah,
come
I'm
back.
gonna leave this stop where it is. The NQ is gonna push back down, and the ES is gonna keep pushing up. So you get your push back down, buy it again. Actually, we probably should just wait for that. I'm gonna squeeze this up a couple ticks. I'm gonna go flat on it, and I just think that we need to take the breakout on the NQ if the ES continues to slide up. But we'll get another chance here on the M&Q. I'm pretty sure we'll get another chance here on the M&Q.
I still want to see it come back.
90% sure we'll get another chance here on the M&Q. I mean, we could have already taken a target on the MES and been fine, but I just don't see this going up the way it is on the NQ. The ES should be doing it too. There's, let's see. Yeah. This should be good. I really do think don't follow me if you don't want to. But this, I'd love to see ES come back to 7409.25 where we got in. I'm gonna take another account and I'm gonna put a buy. I'm gonna put a buy in it. Not. Because
Comes the pullback on the NQ.
holler at me when you see it. All right, if you have another account, do a buy at 925 on the MES. Instead of getting too many deep on one account, I'll just spread it out over another account. Now, again, this could be which one, NQ or ES? NQ?
On what, NQ?
Yeah.
317.30, something
Yeah.
like that, 317?
Okay. Those VWAPs on that indicator I made are wrong. I'm gonna have to pull those off and just put in the ones off the system until I figure out what's going on with that. Because my VWAP in my EMA is right at where it's at now. Misleading.
Yes, it is.
Just a little bit. This is like almost $200 for me tonight so far.
Sounds off that 83.
And I'll go back into this. Here, watch. If the ES pushes back up above
Take it
this,
here.
I want to break.
Like to see
If
a
it
little
breaks
further down,
above,
but you put
yeah.
it here on the NQ.
Well, the break above would be better, I think, for me.
Really, but you know, further down.
So again, all right. I'm gonna ask Greg. How you doing, Greg? Are you flat? Are you you good, man? He's like, I made my $600 on 6 accounts. I'm done for the night. I hope he said that. Are you copying, Greg? Are you trade copying? I was actually, I think I'd like to talk to you about this, Greg, because maybe you take 3 accounts and copy our MES layering or dynamic sizing methodology and do 3 like that and then leave the other 3 accounts for your M&Q trades. That'd be a decent thing to do. I mean, I got this one on the MES that's doing really well for me. I just got
Brian, is
in.
your mic still open or are you just being quiet?
I'm talking.
Just being quiet.
No,
That's unusual.
no.
I guess that AI didn't mess
Check,
didn't do
check.
your sound right.
Did not do my sound right. Can you hear me
AI
now?
messed with your sound, didn't it? Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, I was talking about trades, man. Come on. I would be quiet. I'm never quiet. Shush it. Is Brian being quiet? Shut up. Is Brian being quiet? The answer is always no. Let me do this again. No, for some reason, you guys can hear me, right?
Yep.
Yeah, now we can.
For some reason, when I change up my mic and stuff, it doesn't like. Oh, it's Discord. I got to switch it on Discord. That's what it. Have to. I guess I could just go into audio video settings. Anyway, it's done now. Mic test.
It gets you to where you're set up and you stay there when you don't touch anything throughout the broadcast.
Let's leave it that way forever.
Yes.
Okay. I won't change anything going forward. No changing. Anyway, what I was saying is I'm really happy with this MES trade I took earlier. And the point I was trying to make is if the ES pushes past this little level right here, stays above this level, then I want to take this breakout on the MQ. Instead of, if there's not a pullback, let's do. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was talking about all that when you guys couldn't hear me. Is if we can't get the pullback, we take this trade. And again, on this other account,
Never mind. Here,
what?
go on.
Yeah, maybe we get a pullback. That'd be great. I'd love to get this again at 925. I'd love to get it again at 925.
Same with the NQ. The NQ comes down to what we're talking about. I'll take it with big contract because that'll pop. I don't think we have a reversal coming up anytime soon. Come on down.
All right, we get a pullback. This is a pullback we might want. Let's do this. I'm gonna squeeze a stop up on this other MES trade and lock in my profits there. I love this evening trading. It's amazing. Easy too.
It's pretty laid back.
And just easy. I don't know why we didn't do this a long time ago. Because Paul tried to get me to, and I said no. That's exactly what happened.
I was gonna say, I don't know what you're talking about. I've been trading evenings for a while now.
Paul's been trying to get me to, and I was like, whatever.
Can't take credit. My son turned me on. He's like, man, you gotta try this in the afternoon.
It's pretty
Trade evenings too
pretty
slow.
easy.
Here we go. Come on back now.
So we're looking at 367 for that pullback.
Would be nice if it gets there. I mean, for real, halfway point is like 350. That'd be all over that, but I would take a 367 if we get a setup. If we get a setup. Keyword there, if we get a setup. We're gonna get 367.
How about this? You guys want to be bold enough to put a limit in at 370?
No, you talking about, ooh, are you serious? You're taking on a bounce?
Yeah? All right, we'll wait.
If you did, you're about to go long here. Now if we get a setup here, we'd have to take it. Gotta take it.
And interesting enough, that's Friday's end of the day VWAP for ES. I'd like to get my other limit filled then. And this is starting to be a lower tick chart setup, so on the MES, I might look at that. I don't know if I'm on the right account for that. Let me see. Just bang it out. Like again, if you show up on Monday morning with all your accounts, $50 in a profit.
Or 100, yeah, 50 to 100 bucks. That's a buffer to start a Monday morning off at night.
Right. Like, how do you screw that up?
I can still screw that.
You realize who's on the mic with you,
I
don't
was gonna say, Tom, you do know Tom's in the room, right? He can screw it up.
you? Yeah, absolutely.
It is nice to know, though. It is really nice to know. All right. I'm tempted to buy this. Really tempted. Let's just see if it turns a little bit. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I'm just looking for a setup. That's all I'm doing. Don't
If
like
it ju-
the
it's
casting is so high.
Just gotta turn. Yeah, but the ES is like
Give me 350. I'll be so much happier down at 350. But I will take it. I'm not, if this turns, I'll take it. But I'd be much happier at 350.
it's looking like it wants to.
What time is it? Okay.
Should be we're about
Goes above that. Come on.
well, okay. Let's look at this. I have a long spot here on the M&Q. Right here.
God, you could almost take a short down to 350 from here.
Just do it.
I mean, I know
Because
that's
it's
counter,
going
but,
to, it would go to it.
I mean,
And I'd take that.
yeah, I think I might have to try that, I think.
You say when?
Just wait for a week. Just give me a second. Let me. Never mind. Damn thing went without me.
I'm ready to go.
It went without me. Dang it, Paul.
Let's get it.
You knew better. That was stupid on your part. That was a trade all
Yeah,
day long.
350. That's all right. Let's take the long out of here. I'm gonna try to get my
What were you
target.
waiting for? I don't even know what I was waiting for. Like an idiot.
I don't know.
I saw that set up. I don't know
There you
why
go,
I did
target
it.
off. Now we're getting down to the level here. I might add a contract down here. Well, I put my trade in and now I'm gonna be
All right,
flat.
now let's see. All right, well, let's see what it does here.
See if it holds.
Now I gotta wait. Now we need to set up here to go long.
We do.
Are you-
And we gotta stay
ready?
above this level on the ES.
Yeah.
Around the levels around 6 or 7406 or 7, which is fine. That's a good level. I like that. I don't want to get too many contracts deep in the evening, but
No.
I definitely find this to be an ad spot
Right where it's at now.
on the ES, not the NQ. NQ needs to go down to VWAP now.
Which might be walking off. Where's that
Around 20. Yeah, it's gonna get it. It's gonna get it. I should have stayed in that short too. Oh, I should have stayed in that short. Silly on my part. It's all right.
Dude.
I'm green
All right,
around
here's
here.
VWAP.
Good. All right. Let's see what we get here.
Oh, it's gone.
It's all right. Good news is I only have 2 accounts in this, so we're good.
Here's your bounce area right here.
Hello.
Or
Now,
not. Or not.
If I was-
We're just gonna break everything.
we gotta reverse this ES trade, bro. Paul.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm gonna reverse it on the next pull up. Next push up, gotta reverse it. Still not a bad trade. If you were inclined, you should add down here. But
You go back up.
Oh,
Uh huh.
yeah.
But if you were inclined, but
Let's just wait for a second.
That's a big candle. That's a big candle.
I know that's a big candle.
Maybe let it come back up halfway and look for short.
That's what I'm
Off
going to
that
do.
89.
We're going to do that on the M and Q.
MNQ is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, and then maybe
See a
take.
little wick up there. Just hold off, Tom. Don't get in yet.
There's going to be a long that comes out of here.
Well, I still had two, and I was.
Here's
I
the
was
long.
going
There's your long. There's your long.
Here comes the long, people.
Here it comes.
It's
And
coming.
then
Whoa, too early. Hold on.
Here it is coming.
Where's your
Right,
entry?
Right.
Where's your entry?
It's trying. It's trying. Hold on. Right. Literally right here is the entry. At 80, at 96.77,
Yeah.
maybe.
I really want to add on the MES here, but I don't want people to. I don't want anybody else to do it.
There it is.
Like I said, I want to add on the MES right now, but I don't want to tell anybody else to do it because I don't want to be too heavy. I just.
Come on up through there. Come through that bottom. Get
Oh.
through,
What do you think here? Add on the MES or no?
NQ's turning, so
Our catastrophe is below the Globex low.
no.
Like if we really screw it up, we're below. The,
No, this is not done. This is going down.
yeah. All right, we should be reversing the MES then.
Yeah, yeah. Wait. Damn.
Hold
Just
on.
hold off right now. Let's just see what it does here. Like NQ below 77 is short, above.
Well, this is where the level was I couldn't find earlier on the MEQ.
Come on. Come on.
This really looks like a setup on 610, bro.
That's what I said, right above 300. That's exactly. I said below or above. It's a bracket, literally.
I kind of have to reverse this ES, or just stop it out and take the loss. I mean, what? Again, we're only $56 down. I think. About
Yeah, I
100.
didn't lose quite. I didn't quite lose as much because I was a little bit more locked in profit. So I'm gonna let this see what it does here, but I'll kill it if it breaks that and take the small loss. I mean, no, not a small loss, maybe about $50. But that's all right. Because I gotta catch that down. Come on. This has got to reverse and go. Come on, Yankee. Get back up there and break inside that range again. I messed up, guys. I'm sorry. I should have, when I said short, when I was telling we could take this down to 350, that was the short. We should have done it.
I took it.
Dumbass.
I took it.
Okay, good.
Hey, good.
I FOMO'd in lower, but I should. I mean, we should have took it when I said it. That would have been.
I did take it when you said it, Paul.
Okay, well then you're sitting pretty. Then it doesn't matter what you do, because that's a hell of a trade.
I'm
not
flat now.
sitting
I'm
pretty.
flat. I'm flat now. Tom, you're still in it?
Oh well, I'm in it short now. I had
you-
those two contracts and I was sweating it out, waiting for the break to go back up. So when I took the short, I leveled back in and recovered my loss from the two.
Are you profitable?
I'm not profitable right now. I'm still at a loss. So
All right.
I'll recover it. I'm just trying to play it smart.
Well, no, this is a big thing. This is so we got to start thinking, Paul, that we got to give disclaimers on our calls, because if Tom's taking everything we say, then
Yeah, we got to
You know?
work on that. Damn, there's the long. If you're still in that long, Tom, it's looking better now.
you can trade both. How is he trading? What is it? I mean, this is. I gotta buy that. Guys, come on.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys.
I gotta add one here on the MES. This is just don't follow me if you're afraid of losing money. But
It's all of it. Don't follow me if you want to lose money.
What?
That's a confidence-inspiring statement there.
I like your trade. I like this trade. I'm.
Now you're going to turn NQ's long again. You're going to turn. If we can get NQ can solidly hold above 04, we're going back up, people. We're going back up to VWAP.
People, we're using my thing. People. That's what I always say. Here we go.
Here we go.
All right, now we can bring this target down some.
Come on, break above that freaking.
We'll get that
low
target.
here and go. Don't play games with me. Go.
And then I'll put it.
Go.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
I already had to cut my wife off today. Tell her
Oh no.
Be making money. I better be making money. I should be like, you did that for that? You made me come home for that?
The market doesn't have Paul's mic on. It's not listening.
It's not.
Oh, yeah. Look, I got another target on this MES. It was just too good to take up on the MES. It's a good structure, man. It made for a good trade. Am I wrong?
No, that's a good trade.
And then I take this back here. where it came
You're
from.
gonna hold that stupid ass level. Look at you.
I don't think so.
If it does, we gotta think short. Man.
Oh no, we're turning everything around. I'm gonna turn this whole thing around right now if it stays down.
Yeah, this thing's going down.
All right, let's do it.
Come on.
And then again, I'm gonna go what $150, maybe $200 on this account. That'll be my max risk for the night, and then it's just one account. I'm green on all my other accounts, you know. And that's the other thing too. Like Tom's trading one account, and I've got a lot, so I can take a risk.
I'm just trading one. I'm if I kill right now what I got going on, I'm about $60 in the profit.
I just feel like I can use multiple accounts. Now, obviously, I'm not shorting the MES when I'm in the MES, but I'll short the M&Q when I'm long on the MES. I got no problem with that.
Yeah, because it can come down, still come back.
I mean, just look at this. Look at this right here, man. This is a good little bracket here. And we got where it came down to, like oh, is that your target field?
That was me.
All right. I gotta consider turning this around at this level in the ES.
I got that short too. Little breakout. I heard you catch it 2 times.
Oh yeah, you can hear Tom's. You can hear Tom's every time. Target.
The tattletale is on.
That's perfect. You need that.
Actually,
on.
that's a good trade. I told you.
You need that on.
above or below that little area, right?
Yep.
About 3 or 4 or below that, and it got your target. So let's stick to our rules. That's my rules. So,
Yep.
and I wouldn't get out of this trade yet, Tom. I would leave your stop, give it a little bit of room,
Yeah, I just looked it up.
Let it be a fine wine.
because this could break. Like I wouldn't give it
Your stop
back
should.
above that range, right?
Your stop should be at
Range.
So the stop should be at 304.
Or 4, exactly, 3 or 4. That's more. See if this thing will break.
If it does, if the pivot gets broken on the ES, we got to go short. I will reverse this. This is my last little spot.
I think I'm gonna go ahead. Should we just kill the ES? I mean, I'm not losing much right now. If I kill it.
We got a couple minutes.
Or put a stop below that little right there, and if it just breaks there, then what the hell, you're wrong. I don't know. I'll let you decide. I don't.
Let me think.
You tell me what to do.
I'm just looking at this wick from the Globex.
It's bouncing off the pivot, right?
That's a big level right now.
That's a big level right now.
Who cares? Leave it there.
That's a big level right now, Paul. Below that level is where I say we gotta flip it around. I don't want people.
Tell you
fret-
what, if it wasn't for that,
fretting over.
that trade right there, that'd be pretty good. I almost tell you call it a day, a night.
Yeah, no, we could. No, we totally could.
I mean,
Well, I
did
didn't
now,
like.
about
What,
$80.
so here's the deal, though. I mean, like, this should have NQ moving up to all time. I just can't help but think this is a pullback for the long. Because like, why did the NQ go to all time high just now? Just to go all the way back down. Now, can we short it in the meantime? Fine.
This is a pullback.
To
But that doesn't mean we can't short it on the way down.
No, that's exactly what I'm saying. It's like we can make money while it's pushing down, but I think it's pretty close to big level on the NQ as well. Big level here on the big tick chart for NQ.
What is that? What is that? I can't see it. Read it out to me.
Right around it's 250.
Yep, exactly.
So
Look at this thing go, baby. Still in it, Tom?
I got it. I got it. I got it too. I'm happy with it.
Greg, you in it?
See what Greg's got. Help us, Greg. Help us make sure we know that you're in the right.
Mic so he could talk to it.
Just make sure he's in the right spot.
I'm working on it. Because the channel's already set up.
75 for that. All right. I mean, that doesn't suck. 75's fine. That's still worth coming out and playing on a Sunday night.
Maybe we do these in a member hangout.
That's a whole shift at Walmart. So, full 8 hours.
75 or so for a night. Okay.
That may not even be said.
Well, keep your 75. I mean, again, are you I was asking, are you trade copying Greg yet, or are you just taking it easy until you get in a rhythm?
Nah, he's probably just trading one account.
I hope so. I hope he is, so he gets in a rhythm with us.
Tom,
Just-
move your stop down now, just in case. There's no sense giving this back.
Oh shoot, I got my stop. See, too many things to pay attention to.
At least be in it, at least be at break even. So you don't give any of it back if it's not.
Now we're probably gonna get the long coming off my level here. Look at this level, working out like a charm.
That's why I'm saying don't give it back.
It's gonna end up being a level somewhere around here.
Because all this is a pullback. This is going to
Yeah, that's. Again, it wicked literally exactly to my level and bounced off of it. And in Friday's late day bounce, I can't. It's got to stay below this level for me to want to short it, man. In general, overall, I would do what we did, grab a little scalp on the short side. I think there's going to be a buy coming out of here at some point. Look at the small tick chart on the ES too. Oh yeah, look at this small tick chart. I'm tempted to just buy this above this little structure. What about that? And it's above VWAP. It sits into a lot of stuff here. You want to do a MES buy stop there? That seems like that would work, right?
What is that? Just above VWAP? Yep.
Right, just above VWAP. Like if we put just a little buy stop in there.
Whoa, okay.
The high of that is 350, 375. I gotta go down to 375. I think that's a good buy. Now again, this is me saying that this is another level. So add it at a level. Maybe add another level. I don't want to be more than 3 deep. And I still think this is a good trade for us. And how many times have you seen this type of double bottom in a Globex price action?
recently. Lots and lots and lots. I think this is we probably need to buy this out of here, guys. This is just scarily looks like a buy out of here, doesn't it? I gotta do it. Let's do it. Okay, that buy stop's the best right there. That's above the level I have. That's above the last wick on the Globex.
Is that 0374? 02, also 220.
375.
Okay.
Yeah, everything screams that if it breaks that, it's going back up to at least this next level. At least to here. I mean, you got 6. If it breaks it.
You got about 5 points, 6 points, yeah.
Yeah, that should be an easy trade. That's something I would do in a mini back in the day, all day long. Let's see if it pushes now, we're in for the long. And then if we break these into profits, we walk away for the night. How about that?
Yeah, I'm good with that. I'm up. I'm flat now. I'm up $85.62.
Yeah, that's good
Something.
for
A little bit, just a little bit more than Greg. Only because of that ES trade. But what?
Oh, you're poo-pooing my ES trade. Okay, cool.
Damn ES trade cost
My
me
stupid loser on the ES. Oh man. Okay.
Listen to Brian. That's what
Listen to
happened.
Brian. He's always wrong. That
You're just
should.
guessing.
Yeah, you are guessing.
Huh? Me guessing?
guess
I'm
all the
guessing.
time.
I'm guessing. You are guessing. You're guessing.
I mean, okay. Wait a minute. Let's seriously analyze that statement. Isn't it really always guessing, no matter what you're doing?
It's an educated guess.
Nobody knows what the market's going to do. I don't care how technical analysis.
How good you are. No, and again, like how many times am I wrong on the ES?
I was just poking fun at the one guy that said that quit that said that.
That all I do is guess. I said, well, damn, my guessing pays me, so I guess I'll keep guessing.
I'll keep guessing too, bro.
Soon as my guessing stops cashing paychecks, I'll be like, okay, maybe I should get smart about this.
Maybe I should change my guessing
Maybe I should actually try.
methodology.
Maybe I should trade for real.
Oh, for real? If these trades hit, it's gonna be a $300 night. I'm gonna call it a day. If that hits, this hits, and my M&Q. I told you I was buying the M&Q. If that already took a target off. I don't know if you guys did it or not, but I told you to buy it. Told you to buy it out of here.
I did not. I wasn't even paying attention.
I told you guys to buy it out of here.
I bought it. I'm in.
You should have targets off. 348 target is your best target. But yeah, I'm gonna do 341 target. Bring that puppy to break even there, and let this puppy run up and make us some money.
I'm back green again. I'm $40 up right now.
There you go.
Well, I don't know why I didn't buy that in more accounts. Is the point I'm trying to make. Poor Brian, he's always wrong, guessing. This is a good one. I like this one.
My ES trade's getting less and less, so that's good. That's adding more money to my P&L.
See?
To that entry.
I wanted to add another contract here, but I didn't want people to be too deep. On my other account, I did. I got a nice little target running here.
There it goes. Look at this.
Here we go, baby. Here we go. Talk about that for a evening trade.
I gotta let this thing go back.
I mean, but all right, let's talk about this in the evenings. In the evenings, what can you rely on in the evening? Levels. Look at how we played our level here on a long trade on the MES off the level that we already picked. I literally picked this. I literally picked this level in front of your guys' eyes, right? Tonight. I literally just picked this and said, we're going to buy off this level. We bought off this level. It made money. In the evenings, you have... here's the thing. You really have to... The market in the evenings, you're not going to get your... You're not going to get your VWAPs be in line. You're not going to get your
technical indicators to line up the right way. You're not going to get any of that in the evenings, and they're going to disappoint you when it comes to trading because they're going to be false indications. You're thinking the wrong way. When I'm seeing this in the evening as, well, the market established a level on Friday, already did on the NQ here, and I said, well, the odds of it going below X level are very slim. We should probably buy it off said level, and we got a target off. We're making money, and that's. I think you just have to rely on your levels in the evenings. And then the other thing is, your bias has to be a little flexible in evening trading in the sense that if you know it's going to break, and here's what happened when Paul called the short, right? When you called the short and we all took it and Paul didn't take it, what do we know? We know it's going to go back down to the next level. He called 250, okay? Or I called 250, and I was like, well, shoot. If it's going to go 250, I'll sell it here and get it at 250. So in the evening trading, you've got to take what's available to you and know, again, it comes down, I think, knowing levels, right? If you know your level in the evening, you're trading level to level in the evening. That's all you got to do. In the evenings, if you trade level, look at this on the ES. Tell me this didn't trade level to level in the ES. Silly. You can't. And again, I have 2 other accounts in profit on this MES trade. So you guys got your profits on the MEQ. I got 2 other accounts sitting in profit because what did I do? I took the little W. Got me flat. You guys send me your trades, Tom. You guys send me your trades. There's no way it should be at negative 32.
How'd you get negative 32, Tom? I thought you were up $100.
No, because I hung on to that one that I had those 2 runners and I was sweating out, and then it came all the way back down. And then
You pulled his stop down.
Okay.
You pulled your stop down?
You know what? It's all right. It's all right.
It was a misunderstanding. So when Paul said move your stop, it didn't mean to move it until you got in profit. It meant to move it under the last swing and.
But I thought I told him to put it in profit. Put it at least break even. Didn't I say that?
I thought so too.
I did that on another one, but I already got too far down. So
Okay. All right. That's fine.
it's okay. I control my losses, so that's fine.
That's
Okay.
That's not a bad loss. $30
Well,
is nothing. It's not
so-
a big deal.
So let me ask you what you think you could have done better, Tom. On that one trade, on the one trade, what do you feel like you, just for other people's sake, not yours?
My gut reaction is I just should have gotten out because of the level of trading that I'm at. I should have gotten out with profits and just waited for the next setup.
Bingo. Thank you, Tom, for saying that. That is exactly what you should have said to that.
That is a good answer.
I'm trying to keep up with what you guys are doing, and I don't need to do that. I just need to take the profit.
Listen, you don't go broke taking profits.
Yeah.
That's my saying, man.
Wait for the setup. So, I
And you know what, Brian? And the more I think about that, Brian, we probably need to be a little bit more, because that's true. Not everybody. It's like
They can't
we
keep
need
up
to
with
be
7
more-
different accounts.
Yeah, we need to just say, okay, take your profit, get out of here, rather than, because
Even though well, here's the other thing, Tom. Did you see me hold that trade?
you did hold the trade.
Yeah, you did hold the trade. I did hold it.
In the but I already took profit on it.
Yeah,
Yeah, but you held it. You held it. You had your stop back. You were still in it.
Yeah, I still had the 2 runners because we thought it was going to go up.
Right.
Okay. So Tom's position sizing was wrong.
Well, he's trading a little bit bigger than you.
Right. Well, that's the point I'm trying to make is we need to talk about where we're messing Tom up is we need to fix his position sizing.
I mean,
You know what I mean? Like, if he's going to try, if somebody's going to try to keep up with us,
okay, yeah. So the answer to reply to what you just said, yes. If you're going to try to let these things play out and add in, and let them, the thing about it is we're leaving our thoughts back because we're not afraid to add another thing. But if you're in it
There-
at 5 contracts, you can't add another contract.
You don't have the.
That's a big loss. So it's you got to decide. If that's the case, then take your profits, move to a no-lose situation. If it comes back on you, you didn't lose any money. That's it. You're out of the trade. Period. If not, then size down. One, maybe two contracts, get one off and hold one, and then you can add another one back in. That's what we've been doing all night, basically. So I don't know. I mean, I think there's. I'm not going to tell you that either way is better because I can't say that because I do larger contracts too, and so do you, Brian. So you can't say anything because I know you put bigger contracts. But-
Yeah, I know, but it's
For
at
the
levels.
sake of-
It's
for
at
the sake of
levels I
what we're
trust.
teaching-
Hey, look at my levels working, by the way, and us making money on this trade. Thank you. Oh, I told you. What did I say the whole night? Come on.
It broke up about. Now we're back in the range. I love it up to
I want to be in this.
350. See what it does. I can break up through this. How much we have left on this? How many more? Tick. Trader Day doesn't show ticks like that. That's something I don't like.
Oh, target's off. I told you I'm trying to go back up to the top.
Yeah, I'm long too.
Yep.
I was long down when it broke above. I'm on 07-ish. There we go. Here comes your 350. Like I said, it's going back up to 350.
So if I get another pullback, I'm gonna get another 2 contracts.
You're
Yeah.
probably going to get another. What you may get here is
Yeah.
a setup for a short on the queue.
Well, there's my
Oh
long.
crap! Is my ES long? Is my ES in profit now?
Yes, absolutely. This is what I told you, brother. Let's roll with this. This is easy trading at night. Trust,
I'm up over- I'm over
trust,
200 bucks of profit
trust.
already.
I'm at 300. Let's get on it.
I am not giving a penny any of this back.
No,
I gotta
we're
make
gonna
over
walk
200
away after
now.
this shit,
I
man.
gotta
Come
keep my
on.
streak alive. Keep my weekend streak or my.
Evening streak. Actually, I think I might take another target on this one.
Yeah,
Let's go at 10:25.
I'm just taking it right now.
10:20. Come on, it's gonna hit 20. Leave it alone. 10:25.
I don't want to give you this back.
I gotta walk away for 1 second. I'll be right back. Well, I'm in on M&Q, MES, 4 different accounts. I'm gonna squeeze up my M&Q, stop, guaranteed profit. I'll be right back.
Take this trade. I'm gonna take this. Dude, that's sweet. That ES came back. Yay! I got my money back. Keep my streak alive. Got to make over 200 every night. My rule. Once I hit 200, I can walk away. I can learn. I can tell myself I'll walk away. Did you take that long, Tom?
No,
Okay.
I got stopped out on it.
You did. Okay.
Yeah.
Full stop out or just a?
Full stop out. I only had my 2 left, and
Okay.
if I would have had my stop set a little bit more, but I was trying to control the losses. So
Okay. All right. Well,
I've got the short right now, so now I'm green.
you're good. The short should. I mean, be careful here around VWAP, but the short should come back. I mean, technically, it should come back to the bottom of that range, right? Which is what's the opening range? 03, 303.
Yeah.
It did, but the thing is, it didn't quite get to the mid range, which was what I was hoping for, of 347, 350, 348. See what it does here at VWAP. If it breaks below VWAP, you hold on to this thing because the next stop is the bottom of that range. Otherwise, don't give any of it back. I would have took that short with you. I just didn't take it. I was looking at the CS. I'm over here marveling at the CS. I think we lost Brian.
Marveling?
Oh, there he is.
No, I had to run to the restroom. I'm gonna take that target.
Oh, I already took it. I wasn't giving it.
All right.
As soon as it went
No,
back.
I'm gonna take all our profits tonight. Let's keep our profit.
I'm totally happy now. Nothing can happen.
Yeah, no, this night's pretty good.
Keep it over 200 bucks.
I got
I'm 20104. 201.
let's see, I gotta do math because I use
I'm flat across the board right now.
I use
20104.
four different accounts. I'm gonna let this one run, bro.
I'm flat.
Why?
But I mean, I agree with you. I just want to make 200. But yeah, I would definitely. That's an all-nighter if it keeps going.
Yeah. Watch this. Let's be dumb about this. I can't lose money on it now. Can't lose money on it. I can't lose money on it.
I had targets off and I moved it down to break even, so I'm only down $9 now.
There you go. Good job.
I mean, here, I can't lose money on this trade. Right here.
I was going to say put it below the swing because you got plenty of profit.
I can't lose money on this trade. Can't lose money on it. Can't lose money. I mean, this is the point I wanted to get us in. Get us in a guaranteed win position and let it run.
So what we should have done was add another one when it came down.
Well, I said that like 4 times.
I know, but we don't want to do that with people
Now,
watching.
I do have 2 accounts running the same trade. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I'm flat on the M&Q. I'm flat everywhere else. I got these 2 accounts running, which is happy for me. I mean, again, this if you look at the bigger tick chart here, or the 1500, this ledge was a buy above ledge and hold. But I don't like holding on the NQ because it's just too many big swings. I can take this on the ES.
Not at night. Take my profit.
No, but I mean, you know, you could probably buy this again if you really wanted to. But I think we're good for the night, don't you?
That's up to you guys. I'm happy. I'm not going to complain.
Happy.
$200 is a good night's work.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty happy with this. I could just walk away and be. Do I,
I think I got to
that
start copying. I haven't been doing that, but I may start trying to copy
copying at night? Greg, are you copying it? Greg didn't answer my question.
No, he's not copying it.
Greg's gone. He made his $75 left. I hope he left.
$75.
I hope he left.
I think he did.
I hope he made his $75 and left.
I guess that's 3.
I really hope he made his $75 and left.
He's at 75 or so for the night as of his last comment.
Yeah, he's done. I think he's fine. I mean,
At 8? You mean 9?
His last comment was at 9:06. Well, 8 o'clock Tom's time. Tom's in there. Tom doesn't. I guess somehow we gotta get Tom to switch his clocks over to Eastern.
For trading, at least.
Yes.
Everybody works on Eastern for trading, bro.
Yeah, I probably need to adjust.
Just for trading. Because that'll save you some heartache when you're trying to trade it late in the day and you think it's 3 o'clock and it's already 4 o'clock.
Well, in his mind, he doesn't think the market closes at 4 o'clock. He thinks it closes at 3 o'clock.
Whatever. I don't,
Think of it this way: if you change your clocks, you get an extra hour to trade.
This is good, guys. I think, again, I mean, we only have 3 of us here. I mean, at the end of the day, if we can market this, people are going to show up. This is easy trading, fun.
So let's since it is the 3 of us, let's talk about this. Let's you and I.
How do we do
Tom,
this?
Agree or disagree? Let's you and I think here, this is my opinion. You can tell me what you want on this, but how about we just keep it very simple, 1 or 2 contracts, take profit for the people that are listening. You and I can do our own thing.
This is what we're doing.
You know, because the thing about it is you don't have to tell me what you're doing. I already know what you're doing, so it's not like you got to tell me.
I'm on it.
It's like I think because I kind of like what happened to Tom tonight could happen to anybody in the room. Like he just got confused.
No, we were talking. That's what I told you. I agree with you on
So
that. 100%.
we should just make it one way and one way only. And say, okay, 1 in here. If we're into 3 max, take your profit or kill it, whatever. You know, not well, move your stops back and let it run. No, let's be more specific. Let's say we're in 1 contract on the ES at at 402.
Let's just make it a
and we're
rule.
gonna put our stop at 396. Let people know. What do you think? Right?
Yeah, we just make it a rule. If you're trading with us at night, don't trade more than 2 contracts.
Right, but we also need to tell them where our stops are. Because I think the problem with us is you and I don't give a crap, and we'll let it play if it goes against us.
My stops are on the
we'll
screen,
add
man.
contract in. What's that?
My stops are on the screen.
No, not well. Yeah, I guess they are, aren't they? Well, then let's say it because I don't want people to get confused. Well, okay. Yeah, the ES is very easy.
We gotta
because
talk.
It doesn't move.
Here's what I think we gotta do is you're missing the point. We gotta talk through trade management better.
Yeah, you're right. That's what I'm trying to say.
That's what you're trying to say. That's what you mean to say. That's what you meant to say. We've got to talk through this trade management.
We
a little
gotta
bit
we
better.
gotta find a way that he doesn't get confused. That he totally understands. The problem
And
is
that's
I take
trade
it for
management.
granted because I already know how to do it and I know what you're saying. So I'm just like,
Yeah.
move the stop. But then I gotta think that he doesn't understand that. He hears us say, move your stop, and he's moving it all the way back to like I know that when we move our stops, it's going to the next swing point below, right? He doesn't know that.
Bingo.
Either we have to say that or we got to show that. One of the two.
Well, somebody kick me and I'll teach through it every time I do it.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, Tom. Why don't you?
Somebody prod me and remind me, hey,
Like,
listen,
why
I don't know what I'm
like,
doing.
If we're in a trade like that, and we
You gotta
say
start asking
something
questions.
Stupid, like if we say something like, well, give it some room. Say, okay, give it some room to where?
What does that mean?
Yeah, what does give it some room mean? Because like again, that's
Pull
what
your
I'm saying.
or pull your
I
stop
understand
back. What does that mean?
Right, pull your stop back. Okay, you need to say, pull your stop back to where?
Yeah,
That way
that'd
you
help a
don't-
lot. You think you could do that?
Yeah.
You think you could do that, Tom?
Is he still here? Okay.
Just ask the question. Yeah, that's the best thing you
just
could possibly
like
do.
so if you get confused, like you're the perfect because you're going to ask the questions that the people in the room want to ask. So if you get confused, ask the question. Say, I don't understand. Where's the stop supposed to be? Or what does that mean when you say that? Something like that. So that because I guarantee you, if you
I'm
have
just
that
gonna
question,
space this up.
somebody else in the room is going to have that question. Guaranteed. Guaranteed.
It's true. It's very true. This is really good easy trading. Really good easy
All right,
trading.
we're back at a level here on EQ. If this thing sets up here, I would consider it a long.
Let's see. Let's see if it does.
We're at the bottom of the range.
This will be my last trade of the night.
Higher highs, higher lows.
Yep.
So there's point of confluence, right?
Right.
All right. And you're sitting on the level at ES as well. Like if I wasn't ready to go, I'd add a contract probably around somewhere.
Now
around
a break of this range. Now we're crashing down again.
So you got to get below. Well, you got to get below around 300.
We're at the bottom of the opening range again.
29,300 would be a break to the downside. You'll take that short.
Right. That's exactly pretty much the range. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But if it bounces off of it, you think about that on the long side. And I'll jump in that if it takes it to the long side.
Oh crap! I was supposed to let my son was going to join us tonight. Damn it!
Oh. Well, he'd be making money with us.
Yeah, he was going to join us tonight.
Oh, sea bass.
Sea bass.
Oh, sea bass.
Is that him? I heard
Is that
somebody
sea
come on.
bass? No, it was Tom's
Tom.
chart. What you doing?
Oh, you sure?
What you want me to talk about?
Let me switch that. Hold on.
That's my range right there in that yellow. So that's
Hold on. The hell. There we go. Okay, full screen. What's the top of that range? What's the number at the top of that range?
340.
Okay.
That's not
And when you
horrible.
see, that's my midpoint.
Yes.
The top of your range is my midpoint. The bottom is correct. That's where my bottom. It might be a little bit lower. 304.
Well, all right, Tom. Look left. Look at Friday swings right there. No, just the afternoon stuff. Swing high, swing low, and Friday afternoon.
Yeah, see these are.
I can't see your mouse.
You see now?
Not on my screen.
I don't see your mouse. Shake your mouse and let's see it. Shake your mouse, man.
Shake what your mama gave you. Shake what your mama gave you. Come on.
You'd be seeing like a spot.
Like a circle, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it. No. I see that you clicked your candles.
Yeah, the candles just got out of it.
I guess you guys can't see my mouse or something.
Use some. You get your Epic Pen out or something. Show me some stuff.
I don't have it. I don't make that kind of money.
Yeah, I mean, God, forbid these guys free. I mean, you don't make that kind of money. It's free. You guys want to try along here? You guys wanna try
I'm
along?
thinking about it.
You
I'm
guys wanna
thinking.
try
I'm
along?
thinking yes, man. I'm thinking yes. That little level got. This little level. Look here on my chart. Look at this level here on Friday afternoon swing high. Retested here. Retested on the downside. Took off. Retested back on the gap down. Tested again. Tested again. Huh?
Your what?
Sharing your logo, I don't see your chart.
I don't see anything either.
Are you kidding me? Oh my
There you
goodness.
are. I can see you now. I can see you.
I'll reshare for you guys. Better? Is that better? Okay. So this is why you got to look left. Okay, we got no price action other than Friday afternoon. Comes down, comes up, double top, sells off of it. Even comes back up again, tests it. What I love about this is on the top side, it tested it back again to the long, and then after the gap down, there was a test here and a pull back down. And if you look at these other candles in the middle, the bigger candles, test again here, and then it just can't decide if it wants to be long or short from here. So this is the point that I'm trying to make, is that if it wants to stay above this level, that's going to be a really, really nice buy. So I would entertain buying above this wick right here. Let's go to the smaller tick chart. I would entertain buying above this wick because you have to go up to here. That's a target guaranteed if it goes above this wick. Does that make sense? Because here's the reason why. Every other time it surpassed this, it went to where? Here. Look at that. Surpass that wick high. It's going to go up to guaranteed targets. And this is a level that was tested. Is this a major level? Probably not. I like this level as a major level because price is hanging around it and stuff. But if it does, or when it does, that's a really nice long. Now I'm saying buy right now. And that's probably where we need to fix this, Paul, is when we say this is a good long, this is a good short, Tom's pressing a button, which means a bunch of other people will as well. Meaning that we need to say, hold on a second, just because we say it's a good long doesn't mean press a button. It means wait for XYZ to happen and then take the long. Meaning wait for this to fail as a short. For it to fail as a short means it has to stay above here. All these wicks through here. Probably including Friday as well. Yeah, there you go. Including Friday as well. It's got to stay above all this stuff right here to be a failed long. Well, it's not failing as a long. So if it stays above this, now this might be a better level than what I have, but it's still a level. So if it stays above this wick from the last pull down, this becomes a buy above this hammer right here, and it's about to do it right now. And I might want to buy that. There you go. I'm gonna buy it.
Do we have enough? Can we send out an email or a text to everybody to the list and just invite them into the evening?
Yeah, I can start doing that.
That would be great.
Let's start pushing Sunday through Wednesday.
Yeah, people need to be here because this is way too
8
easy.
o'clock. Just say, come trade the Asian Open with us.
I'm gonna do break even on this ES trade that we did and leave it there and just walk
Yeah,
away.
I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I think so too.
Yeah, that's it. We're
I'm
done.
not gonna-
We made money. No,
I'm gonna keep my money.
I'm gonna keep my $300 too, man. I'm gonna walk away
I
with
kept my
it.
streak. I kept my streak alive. My $200 every night. So
Again, you multiply it across 6 or 7 accounts. That's a paycheck
I'm
in
not
the
copying
evening.
now, but I don't think I'm not gonna start doing that eventually.
Yeah, just don't
It's way too
Just don't
Something like
poop-
that gold in the morning. Man.
just don't poo-poo my ES trades when they're perfectly good scale-in trade, perfectly good
I was playing.
dynamic sizing methodology.
Truth be told, I got at it if I really didn't believe in it, and I knew it was gonna turn back around.
I'm just using a variable risk progression and adaptive position sizing for a dynamic sizing methodology to create positive expectancy.
Positive expectancy.
I mean, but for real though, come on, man.
You have all the post-it notes across the top
What? The
No, those.
exercise
No, these are here's
methodology,
no. It's just
programming,
it's.
adaptive positioning sizing that gives us positive expectation.
You don't have that, Tom. You don't have that everywhere. You don't have that. Like, what is it?
Memorized yet?
You don't have that. What?
Dynamic sizing methodology.
Here you go, Tom.
Variable risk programming,
Hold on.
adaptive positioning, sizing, and positive expectancy.
This here you go for the AI. I'm putting it in WhatsApp. There you go. I will say those words to sound like I'm smart, because everybody knows I'm not.
Gotta go jump in the shower.
Yeah,
All
me
right.
too. I've been swimming. I was swimming with Grace. That's why I was.
Yeah, we hung out that little beach thing. It's pretty cool.
Oh, the one you told me about?
Yeah, we hung out there.
That's nice. I like that place.
Hell, this was sweet. Grilled out.
Oh, hell yeah.
Had a
That's
little-
awesome.
A couple paddleboards, so we paddleboarded around.
Oh, fun. Yeah, no, I was swimming. I was swimming in the channel with Grace, and
Yeah.
oh my goodness.
Our Pixie jumped in the river once when we were hiking one day. She just jumped right in.
Oh wow, wow.
Crazy. We about freaked out, but
Thank goodness. Thank goodness it's not like around here and a dolphin doesn't eat her.
yeah.
A pelican can come down and grab her out of the
Yeah,
water.
snag her out of the water. See ya.
My dinner. What's wrong with you? That's my dinner, people.
All right, see everybody in the morning.
All right, let's trade in the morning. See you guys. Have a good night.
See you, Tom.
Hey, Greg. Hold on a sec. Greg, did you do good? Did you, Greg?
I think Greg's gone. I think
He might have left.
He made,
He made his money and left. I hope so. I really hope he did that. That's cool.
Oh, hey, while we're talking about it, what about Hutch? Hutch payment didn't go through, and he's still in there.
Let's give him. Let's give him some leniency. Let's do that. Let's just talk to him. He's Paul. Let's talk about that offline.
Okay. All right. We'll do that.
Yeah.
All right, I'm out. I'm going
All right,
to
y'all. Peace up. Yo, Tom.
Before you go,